And this is what they call summer. Well, it looks like we're not going to do no water guns today because, I mean, just luck.
Look, it fucking fully opened itself. That's exactly what it did.
Like, wow, why is it raining like this? Can you go, please?
You can't see the hillside. Look,
Remember a couple hours ago?
you could see over there. It's that bad. They said it's supposed to be good.
Remember
Damn.
a couple hours ago? It was so bad it fully opened the
said-
window.
Go get your clothes on.
Wow, look what it did, bro.
And this is what they call summer.
You're gonna go out too, remember?
Hold up, I'm getting my shoes on.
Should I really go inside the window?
Look at this.
Should I really go?
This is crazy. Yeah, we're both going to go out in the rain. Alright, we're going to go out in the rain. You ready? 3, 2, 1, 2.
Look at it. Flooded again.
Not again. Okay, I shouldn't have came out here. Can I go under the tree?
It's literally flooding outside.
Actually, you're not supposed to go under a tree. Damn it.
It's literally flooding.
Dude, don't leave me out here.
Oh my
What are you doing? Push the leaves over.
Bro,
Push the leaves over for me.
the water.
Push them over more. I'm going to have to go in there. No, don't. More.
Good, bro. Wow.
Go in that right there. Go in that. Right there. Go in that. This is crazy.
Look at it. It's literally like 2 inches deep. And the big problem was
Bro,
is on.
what the fuck? Why'd you do that?
I put that on. Wow, it's flooding everywhere.
Dude. I don't know. Get back over here. Come on.
I'm here in the backyard, baby. Bro, it sounds like a waterfall. Oh my, it's like you're flooded down there. Oh my fucking God. Bro, point the microphone down there.
What was that noise?
Point the microphone down there.
Alright, my phone's getting all wet. I'm going back in now. This was a stupid ass idea. Come on. Bro, I'm going back in. Open the door. I can't. Dude, I got all wet. And my phone did too. Shh. Move. Alright. Hold up. Yeah, we go. Alright. Jared is still out there.
You want to start lightning him on, baby? You hit my lightning.
For you.
Oh, boy. Back in here. Come on. Dude. I'm not going back out to get you. Get back in here. Get back in here. In. This kid won't come back in. I can't get him to come back in.
I take that. Close my door. Making all my cold air go out. That's
Oh my god, I actually have to go back here, out here again. I just put a new shirt on, dude. Come on, in. In. Dude. can't.
Come now.
Okay,
I'll go back inside the house.
let's go back in, bro.
Yeah, I'm going back inside. Watch, film this.
What? Scared me. What?
No, I want you to film the scene where I come running over here. You're over there. I'm gonna film
Okay.
where I come running.
That was so stupid. Let's go back in. I'm all wet again. I'm gonna have to change. I just put a new shirt on. In! Oh my god. In the house. In the house. This is not a water park.
Hey, you got better. I thought you was Jared.
No, I'm taking a photo of it.
I thought you
It was
was
a nice
Jared.
No.
Wrestling. You need an excuse
Alright.
for wrestling.
Well, WWE's on and I can't record nothing because this kid's talking. Looks like mommy's home. Mommy's home. What is it? I want to record it. I want to record it. What is it?
Can't.
Why
I
not?
got my little lady in the back.
I can't hear you. Be quiet. Hold up. Right there.
So I got my little lady into bed.
Be quiet.
I'm sitting there. I took my shoes off because they're bothering my feet. So I'm sitting there about 5-10 minutes.
Be quiet.
Christina keeps coming.
Sit louder.
You hear? Bam! I went.
Be quiet. I can't hear.
I just told you. I said,
Stop.
I looked over at her. I said, you heard that, didn't you? And she goes, yeah.
You heard
I
what?
said, be right back. Bam! I mean a big bam. I can't. So I go to look, ain't nobody. And yep, all them residents said, yep. That little girl goes, I was here since I was 5 with my mom. There's a nun.
It's haunted by a nun.
She said, and then they used to have a picture of a Jesus up on a thing, and she said the hands would move. I was like, you know what?
So your new work where you work at is haunted by a evil nun.
Big time. Oh,
Didn't you say you saw something a couple days ago or something?
I've never seen her yet. That girl goes, wait, just wait, you will. I sit down.
I'm not gonna lie, this camera's kind of shit.
I said
It's too blurry and shit.
I said, I don't do that stuff. I don't believe in that. But I heard that bam.
Don't film.
I'm like sitting there going, and
So it's the next day and we're ending it after this, but Jared said there's cops out, so I'd like to go see a drama. Alright, what is it that you wanted me to film?
Look, a firefly.
Hold up, I'm gonna put the phone. Okay, what did you want me to film now?
The cops.
There was no cops. I didn't see any cops.
Bro, wait.
Firefly, get it. You're not scared of a firefly, but you're scared of a stink bug.
Bro, because they're more dangerous, dude. Oh, look at me, I'm flexing 2 fireflies. Bro, look at me.
You're not flexing anything.
Don't have to.
What do you mean quick? Come on. It's a firefly, come on.
Yeah, I shouldn't bring it in the house, because if I bring it in the house, what happens if the flies land in the house, bro? No, I'm not gonna.
I remember one time we had a firefly in the house. Let's go in, come
Like a
on.
fire truck.
What? There's no fire truck. There's no fire truck. There's no cops either, anywhere. Uh-oh, there's a package.
That's like the package is a kitty litter.
On film, come on.
It's like something.
Hello!
Okay, pick that and
Hold
that's wide left.
See, the package is right there. Come get it.
There's nothing.
It's on the, no, it's on the edge. Come here.
Bro, you're tricking.
I'm not tricking you.
Yeah, you're tricking me.
Go check.
Yeah, there's nothing. Watch. There's nothing. See, I knew it. I fucking knew it. I had
You thought there was a package. Where are you going? Come on. You got pranked. Haha. What are you doing? Why is it so hot out here? It's not that hot.
By the way,
Today's June 26th.
why does it feel like 3 days goes? Why does it feel like 3 days and 1 day goes so slow, but 2 days goes so fast?
I don't know.
2 days, 2 days,
Come on, stop.
2 days.
Stop.
2 days goes the fastest.
Can you knock it off, please? Here's 0.5. Do you like 0.5?
Yeah. I just want this day to end already.
Why?
Because you just want my speaker.
What happened?
I just want my speaker. Then after that is another day.
Should I start recording 0.5 again? I think I might. So much more in frame. Oh, there you are. I did not know you was here. I said nobody's here.
16-hour shift, 6 hours.
I did an 8, a 16, and a 6.
Oh, jeez. You've been working so much lately. Close the door and lock it.
Even Larry goes, in another week.
Quiet, Max.
He goes, in another week, think about it.
He's mad because the speaker didn't come. Oh, yeah, we're going to Walmart. I love to go to Walmart.
Oh, you can eat all you want. You're getting meat. That's it.
Okay, stop. Where's Jared at?
I don't have it.
Why's there fellow spider webs? Jared? Come on, let's go.
I was like, well, I could have already been. I started the car, I backed it up, and then gone. Come on.
Oh, it's... I can feel it starting to sprinkle.
I got to since you're here. Come on. I want to show him something.
Can I get that Lego set?
I don't.
No, be quiet. I'm
I
kidding.
don't have the money.
Be quiet. I'm kidding.
I want to show you. You just start talking for fireworks. That's why you can't get a pool, Jared. You'll have to yell at him.
Be quiet.
Say, I need $299 for the pool. 1 minute you can't get, next minute you ain't. You can order them online.
Okay. We're in Walmart now, bro. Come on. There, I fixed it from looking yellow. What? I know. Maybe we should do water balloons too this summer, Jared.
No. I want the big one. Is it this one? There's one there for $60 at Bell.
I wish I could get ones that go into this. Oh, get some of these. $2.
Hi.
Can we get it for 4th of July?
I have enough for your thing.
All right, well, we'll come back. We're going to come back next week.
Come on, Derek. Help me out. That's the one.
Somebody opened Poppets.
That's the one you want to get?
There's an open,
Is this good,
there's a
Jared?
tiny ripped open
He
box.
talks too much.
You want to get that one?
That's the one that I
4th
want to
of July. Poppets. Are these actually $3 a piece?
Hey, Derek,
That's
come here,
insane.
come here. How about these ones? That's a 4-pack.
This one.
I think those are going to be real
Put
loud.
that down.
Those are those fountain ones you like. You know how it
Yeah.
throws it all up. How about these? They're called shorties. You don't want smoke bombs. Remember you brought them that time?
Yeah, I don't
this
know.
is smoke. You want these. Look at this. But it's one big one, Derek, and then when it's done, it's done.
Does it go into the sky or something?
It's, no, Emmett's.
Oh, that's stupid. Come here, Jared. Jared. Bro, come here.
$150, Derek.
Jared, stop.
$150. Look at it.
150.
Well, you get a lot. It's just a waste, though, because it just goes into the sky and it's done for.
I was trying to do something nice.
I mean, you can, but I'd rather get a pool than $150 worth of 4th of July
Yeah, because I know what
fireworks.
Rosie's going to say. Rosie's going to go, you're spending $150 and you got to put tax. It's going to be like $175. The pool you wanted is $200 online. And Rosie would go, hey, Lenny, she's going to spend $175, another $25. They could have got the pool. Larry said let him know because we need sand.
Oh, I like some of these shirts. 16.
They have Jason. I wanted to get it for you. This isn't Washington Walmart. Ours is, see, theirs is different. They don't have Jason here. It's a hockey mask, it has blood on, and it's one of those nice shirts. I seen it. It's not here.
Really?
Yeah, they got different clothes from us. I like these.
I like these. I like these. I like these.
I like this. This reminds me of Minecraft.
Gotta come back here and get that next time.
I like this, Derek. Did you like these? We don't have these.
Yeah, I already told you I liked it.
Where is Jason? They have these. They don't have
Oh no, they don't got Jason. Who wants? No,
gotta go get his-
everybody's chasing the Jason. Everybody's chasing the Jason.
That's big. I was gonna get him his it socks. Somebody brought them all out. They brought it out.
He doesn't like
They-
it anymore anyway.
Well, listen. They had Scream socks, it socks, Jason, and Michael. And
That guy just steals something, I swear to God. This way. Stop.
I don't got all that stuff there. We didn't have it either, Derek. We didn't.
They don't got it.
We haven't. Nope. It has to come from the warehouse. That you don't get it. We don't get it from a grocery.
Oh man. I want to ask her if I can get this. This is cool.
Who actually?
I wonder where she's at. I don't care about Linky Blocks.
People just keep going comment section and saying cringe.
Let's go look in this aisle for a bit. I want that. She's gonna be so mad. Look at her. Run, 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 boy. No, 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 no. I want it. It's 20. I want it. I want it. I want it.
We're gonna go to the other one.
What other one?
Put that.
I want it. I want it. Don't put that back.
There's a grandma.
Let's
I want
go
it.
to Aldi's.
They're not gonna have it. I want it.
Aldi's and Giant.
Let me get it. Let me get it. Let me get it.
I have no. I have.
You know
Derek,
what?
I don't have no
Embarrass
money.
me. Do not embarrass me.
Really?
No.
5, 6, 7, 8. That's not $9.
Be quiet.
so
It's
don't
20.
tell me. I don't have
Be
it.
quiet.
You have $9.
Then I'm gonna go get a Lego set.
Yeah, for $9. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, come on.
He
If
wanted
I can't
his-
get that, I'm
he
getting something.
You have to wait till next week, Derek. Just hide
I
it.
want that. It's not gonna be here, and you're not gonna get it next week. I know you.
Oh, honey, you're gonna have to wait. I'm being honest. You really are.
There we go. I got Wolverines and juice.
Yeah, I gotta start saving money. I get an oil change. I gotta get a couple
no.
things done.
All right. So she saw a house, maybe to move in or something. But I don't want to move into
Hey,
this
they're
house.
selling it.
Drive slowly.
You can't drive slowly when there's cars behind you. Cause
There's no cars.
Where's,
Put your window down slowly.
where?
Keep going. I think it's one of these two right here. No, no. Keep going.
10:08,
Slowly, slowly, slowly,
10:10.
slowly.
This should be 10:10.
10.
Yep, 10:12.
Right here, 10-12.
I'd have to look.
Slowly.
I want to go in and see it. It looks okay on the front. I'm not worried about that. Somebody broke that. I want to see what the inside looks like and how many bedrooms.
Film it, film it.
I'm not
Point
worried
it.
about
I see
that.
that.
Wait, don't zoom in. It'll look like shit. Oh my God, you're such a.
I'm
horrible
gonna ask the
cameraman.
guy there. I want 2 bedrooms. I want 2 or 3. I really want 3 bedrooms. I mean, I'll take 2, but I want 2 bathrooms. Because we always gotta wait for you. We always gotta wait.
Yeah, this is Trumpville. Everyone over here is Make America Great Again and MAGA or whatever it's
Oh,
called.
they're expensive here. This is where the school is, so that's how I already knew.
I didn't film it, but there was a Kia and it looked like the Kia motherfuckers. He almost crashed into us.
The jaw in the
Dude.
middle. Oh, I hope somebody did not. Where's his other leg? Honey.
Don't.
I don't want him to. Oh my.
Roll down your
baby.
window. Roll down your window.
No, I'm not. Oh, he might get
Lock
scared.
my window, Mom. Mom, you're a bitch.
You better hope he doesn't get ran over. Or
Lock
something.
my window.
I don't have anything. Oh, you know what, Derek?
Dude, he's in the middle of the road.
You're worried about doing stupid shit out there.
What the fuck?
It's a tornado coming.
Again?
Yeah, no.
Weather bulletin. National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Allegheny County in
We're West
southwestern
Florida.
Pennsylvania, west central Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 8:30 p.m. At 8:02 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight line wind damage were located over Peak Cairn. We're over Monroeville, moving east at 40
Coming
miles
tick
per
right
hour.
here.
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those trying without shelter. Homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles.
Oh yeah, window. Stay away from the window. I don't want the
Damage is
window.
likely.
Turn pants on now.
Locations impacted include Monroeville, Greensburg, Jeanette, Murraysville, North First Hills, White Oak, Peak Cairn, Manor, Trafford, Dalemont, Wilmerding, Easton Keithport, Export, North Ruin, Wall, New Alexandria, Penn, Grapeville, Harrison City, and Crabtree. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built
Lowest
building
floor.
away from windows.
Away from
If you
windows.
are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from
Yeah, you're in
falling
a vehicle
debris.
or something. You get
Again, another tornado. This is the third one.
This year's gonna be bad.
Counties in Pennsylvania, Allegheny, and Westmoreland.
I miss him, JF. I can't believe it. They come right. Daniel Garcia said, "You said Tony Gonzaga could challenge."
Bulletin. For the following counties
It's
in
really coming
Pennsylvania,
because
Allegheny, and
Jared, this has been
Westmoreland.
on for 5 minutes. There's a tornado coming.
Thunderstorms were located along the line from
Shit. There's a tornado coming. I don't know why I'm doing this. This is stupid as fuck. I'm going back in. Tornado coming. Fuck!
How to pick it up?
What is it?
You just feel it. It's coming this way. Look how them clouds are moving.
Hold up.
It must be coming that way, though. I'm watching his. Watch his flags. Oh, you'll hear it. If it's a real tornado. My dad said it sounds like.
Look how fast they're going.
No. If it's a real tornado, it sounds like a train. Look how fast them clouds are going. I don't like that.
Oh, it's picking up.
Oh no, it'll get really bad. That's the tree.
Look how
that-
fast it's going. Oh
No,
my
that tree. That's the tree you watch. It ain't doing too much. When you see the top of that tree start snapping back, then you know.
God. They really don't got a basement.
What?
They really don't got a basement.
Hey, that tree, it'll pick that tree up. A tornado, fuck yeah. That's like a piece of wood to a tornado. It'll pick it right up, roots and all.
It's kind of risky to go out here, but I'm doing it. No, he doesn't. Uh-oh. Stay in that cellar.
No.
Stay in that
Jared,
cellar.
Jared, get your clothes on now.
It's getting worse.
Get your clothes on.
Stay in that cellar. Stay there.
I'm good.
No, nothing's gonna get you. I'm filming. I'm filming. Stop! Jared, stop. I'm right here. I'm right here, buddy.
Get your clothes on.
I'm recording. Get your clothes on.
Yeah, get your clothes on.
Pennsylvania until 8:45 p.m.
Ted, because you gotta run out. You should be fully
Capable of
dressed.
producing both tornadoes and extensive straight line wind damage were located 6 miles northwest of Latrobe, moving east at 60 miles per hour.
Oh, he lost 25 miles. It was 75-mile-hour
Radar
winds.
indicated rotation. Impact.
Just confirmed it's a tornado.
Flames are
Get your clothes on now.
Homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Homes will be damaged or destroyed. He thinks it's a joke.
Damage is likely. Locations impacted include
It is saying homes are
Need my taco, actually.
Into an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows.
Yeah, they want you to go downstairs away from
There you
windows.
go.
In a mobile home.
Oh, that's getting black out there.
Substantial
Oh, I hear rumbling.
yourself from foreign debris. The stone has a history of producing cargo.
Jared,
Competing.
even telling you go to a different location.
5 p.m. for the following county. West
Good
Warren,
taco.
Pennsylvania.
Westmoreland.
Oh my god, it got so dark.
Look how dark. Jared, come on. Jared, come on.
What?
Come on.
Weather bulletin.
We gotta get in the cellar, you guys.
I'm not going.
Uh,
Yeah, it got black fast. It's just coming our way. Fast the clouds are moving already.
I hear rumbling.
Oh no, you hear it. It sounds like a train, Jared.
I wanna go in the cellar. Come on, you guys. Come on. It's picking up. Can we go to the cellar,
Big
please?
time.
Let's go to the cellar right now.
That must have been one of those.
Jared, you know what? Let's get to the cellar.
Both of us. You're not fucking moving.
Here's the big tree. Here we go. The
Train.
big tree.
Train's coming.
Jared, the big tree. Look at his tree. You'll see him.
Get to the fucking cellar.
As a new CEO, Mercedes Monday. Keep it locked on
Hey, Jared, please. They're out too.
Look, he's across the street. He's out looking.
Okay, this is the darkest it's been ever. Mommy. Okay, there's a tornado coming or something. Let's go. Let's go down. Jared, Mommy's gonna die.
Get up here. Get up here.
Come on, get down here.
What is it?
There's like a tornado on that line.
Yeah, 5.
You love tornadoes so much.
I just love them. I want them to come in my house.
No, you love them because you like to see stuff get destroyed.
Yeah. That's all.
The problem is we're not that.
We're not underground. It looks like we're.
Stay.
Jared!
What?
Come up here. You're missing it. You could videotape it. You can
Mommy,
at least
no,
see
stay.
sheets
Stay.
of water.
Stay. I need you to stay.
Come on. You can see sheets of water.
Stay, Jared. I'm begging you to stay.
Stop. Come on.
Oh my God. I want to go downstairs.
Look, you can see
Ah!
sheets of water.
No, something's coming. Let's go downstairs now, Mommy. Stay there. What was that? Stay.
Jared, you could be videotaping this.
Mommy,
Look.
I'm scared.
Oh, don't worry. That guy was outside too videotaping.
Tornado coming or something. No, I can't. I can't see nobody.
Right across the street. Look, you don't see a
Oh,
guy.
Jonathan Crow.
He has his video camera out. I don't see his phone.
Dude, everyone's looking out. Everyone is looking out.
What
is going on?
Somebody's in the kitchen looking out at them. They was up. They all came out.
Can we go in, please, downstairs?
Look, videotape that.
Tornado. I'll be sitting in
Somebody
this car.
definitely got a tornado.
I want to go down, please.
You don't see when this happens.
This is crazy. I need to get my GoPro out for this.
He's watching you. I guess he saw us out here. He came out too. I saw somebody in that window, and somebody in the door. And I was like, Jared, you're videotaping everything.
Okay.
He's stuck in his car.
Can we go down now?
No.
Please.
So look over my shoulder.
Stay away from the window.
That's the music, that's the video. That's the man that will be facing John Moxley.
Get a videotape of us.
I am.
Yep, they're updating it. That means that's 3 tornadoes they saw.
Here we go again.
Jared don't get it. He'll go, we didn't get it. Tornadoes are unpredictable. They go anywhere. That's the 3rd tornado.
Westmoreland County is central Pennsylvania.
They're going in and out.
Severe thunderstorms capable of producing both
That's creepy. That sounds like.
The damage was located over ledge strip for 9 miles.
Sounds like there's signals going on.
Yeah, their signal's going on. That's the third tornado. That one night we had 5 tornadoes. Rotation, they saw. Rotation means.
There's signals going on.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. The damage
It'll destroy the house.
Might have to go back down.
Yeah.
damage is likely. Location
You're more worried about a ghost than saving your life. There's no ghost. I can't even see you. Wait, what'd you say?
Jonathan Crow.
Finally said his name.
I don't know.
Jonathan Crow. Oh,
There's no box. It's coming at 4.
to me.
It's coming at 4:40. It's coming at 4:40.
Looks like your speaker's here.
Okay.
We just gotta make sure it's a real speaker and not a fake. Here's his speaker. Come over here. Let's go open it up. You got your speaker.
No.
I can't hold this. Can't hold it. Charges. Come here. Come here. No, come here. No, I'm opening it. Come on. Where'd he go? Come on.
Come on, let's see this. Come on.
I'm gonna show you what the fake
on.
one looks like. Here's what. Hold on, it's not popping up.
Don't worry about it.
Come on.
Don't worry about it. Let's go. Run, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on this way.
Money. Come on.
Be quiet.
Shut up,
It's
Max.
the real one.
You didn't open it up yet. Open it, Jared.
Is this the real one?
Yeah. It should be. Open it.
I'm not messing around. I have people messing with me all day today. Why are you hiding your face? Yep, we're one.
Is that the real one?
There you go.
I just don't trust
Uh.
it. I just don't trust it.
We have a problem.
That looks fake.
I think it's fake.